Hey guys, what's up? Pete with Pete's Paleo here. So last week we showed you how to sharpen a knife, and this week I'm going to show you how to use it on an onion at least. So I wanted to show you just a really simple vegetable tip to show you that breaking down things isn't that complicated. You just need to know how. I'm going to show you two different ways to break down an onion today: how to dice it and chop it nice and fine, and then how to julienne an onion. So to chop it nice and fine, you're going to take the top off. And then take the bottom off, but don't take the whole bottom off, just the root. And then it still leaves that part intact right there. And then you're going to split that in half, and then it makes peeling it really easy. You can use the onion peels for stock. If you're making stock at home in broth, the onion peels are perfect for that. So you can see we've got our two halves of our onion here with the root still intact. What you want to do is you need to make a grid out of the onion. I always start horizontally. In culinary school, they tell you to go this way and then sideways, but I prefer to go sideways and then vertical. So you're gonna make these cuts as big as you want the onion to be. So if you want it to be bigger, kind of a medium dice, you'll just start here and then go here and just do two little cuts. If you want little fine onions, you're gonna make it small and mark that I'm not going all the way through the onion, okay? Just to about the last eighth is left. Okay, and then one more. And then we can make it super fine. Make that top layer. Now we're gonna go vertical. Super thin slices. Again, not all the way through the onion. You can see you already have pieces kind of popping off. And then right there. Nice sharp knife so you don't have to push too hard. Perfectly diced, chopped onion, just like that. Now, in a restaurant kitchen, this piece that's left over, you would save for the stocks or the soups. You wouldn't want to throw it in with the other onions because you want all your onions to be the same size. But for cooking at home, you can just fold it over on its side and go around the root like that. Okay? And then give it one pass, turning the other way. So still basically the same size, but not perfect, so you wouldn't want those in a restaurant plate. And then this, again, goes into your stocks. So that is how you dice an onion. Super simple. Now, for julienne, you're gonna do something even easier. What you wanna do is go back to the other half of the onion that we just used. This root now needs to come out. So you're gonna put it down and make a little V cut. And take that root piece out. Then you're gonna start on the side with thin slices. When you get to the top, just fold the onion over. There you go, perfectly julienne onion. So that's it, guys. Super simple. Just wanted to show you a quick tip. As you can see, my eyes are watering. I am cutting onions. One trick that will make that a little bit better is if you stick them in the fridge for about a half hour before you cut them, it'll cut down on how much you cry. Also, the sharper your knife, again, the less you cry, the less it'll bruise the cells and the less gas that'll be released. All right, thanks so much for checking us out. Everybody have a good day. Thank you.